Hey guys! Okay, so today I'm going to do some sweet and peachy look for my best friend Shauna. But as you can see, my lips are really sore. So first of all, I'm going to use this Dr. Paw Scrub and Nourish Lip Sugar Scrub, which has the sugar scrub in the top and then the lip balm in the bottom. Next I use Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Vanilla. And I apply it with a wet beauty blender. And then the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define Concealer, and I use shade C2. Blend that into your foundation with the pointy end of your beauty blender. And then finally for the dewy look, I'm going to use Too Faced's Peach Frost Melting Powder Highlighter. And then I recently bought the Revolution Soap Brow Kit, which I have actually been loving. I like to spray this with some setting spray and then use a little sponge just to spike my brows up for a natural look. And then finally I go in with the Lime Crime Bushy Brow just to fill in any sparse areas. Next I cover my entire lid with the shade Caramelized from the Sweet Peach palette. And then go in and blend out the edges with the shade Georgia. And also underneath with the shade Caramelized again. I use the shade Nectar for the highlight in the centre of my eye and then blend out with a fluffy brush. Next I apply mascara and some very natural lashes, which is quite usual to my usual, and then here you go, there's maybe weird.